how to remove address from Google. Now, if you believe your personal information like your name, email addresses are out there crawling across various sites, crawling across various applications, and you want to be able to remove those personal information about you, so we can actually find that in the process. Now for this, what we're going to do is we're going to use our Google browser itself along with our particular Google account. In the search bar, we're going to use the results about you tool. So just type in results about you. You'll find the first link from Google, that is from myactivity.google.com. Make sure to select that. Here it will ask us that we can take control of any result about you, like your personal info that will show up in Google search, and you can ask to remove any search results that you'd rather keep private. So what you do is now you click on get started. Type in the name that you've mostly be using across online presence, and if you have alternative names, you can make sure to add those as well. And just type in the address that you suspect has been leaked about you, right? So you can just go ahead and type in any addresses. You can add another home address, multiple addresses, and various other addresses over there, and you can choose to add them. And of course, now you can go ahead and then add your phone number, alternative phone number, email, other emails that you've been using, and just click on the continue button. So once you've done that, once you click on continue, it will monitor any information related to this particular contact with this particular name, and you can confirm that the info here belongs to you, and you can click on save option. It will look for any relevant results. In this case, monitoring will be enabled. They'll check for any search results that match your name and personal information, and once done, the check will usually take 6 hours or so on, and they'll let you know when it's done. And now if there is any information like your addresses or name that has been made public and spread across various sites, you'll be able to review them and delete them manually. So this way you can remove personal information like your addresses or anything else from Google. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.